researching the essential oil markets, researching the possibilities in Armenia, and how to start the company here. So we had all this information before we started, and then even after we started, there was a very lengthy research period where we were trying to develop the technologies. Usually the Repats who are moving back to Armenia, they have extensive backgrounds in many different fields, and Armenia is an excellent place where you can really use that backgrounds and education. One of the reasons that we started this business in Armenia, because we knew that there is an extensive scientific potential here. We knew that there were many engineers of our generation or even older generation who would be very helpful for us. And we have such people working for us. At the same time, we have a team of young researchers. Not everyone here uses the modern marketing tools as they should be used, especially the Repats who are coming, for example, for Syria. They rely on the old ways of advertising or word-to-word advertisement, and maybe sometimes underestimate the possibilities that you can have in social media, for example. Since Armenia is a very small country and there is no way that we can compete with anyone in the quantity of the products that we're producing. So this is really important to focus on the quality of the products. With the products of highest quality, we can definitely find our place in the market, and there is more and more demand for the high quality products. Because we started the company with a very limited resources, we were trying to use as much local resources as possible, and we tried to recycle as much equipment as possible, and assembling the equipment from the old dilapidated Soviet equipment. And we try to use as many local ingredients as possible and not to ship them overseas. In order to make your business successful, you have to be really committed, which in our case, that meant that we had to move to Armenia and be 100% present in all the beginnings of that and in all the endeavors that we were starting with Nairian. It's important not to repeat the mistake that a lot of our compatriots are doing by investing the money into Armenia but then staying remotely and not connecting with their investments directly. Very important for us to hire people, especially in law department and accounting department, to hire the people who knew the laws of Armenia, who knew the ways the accounting is being done here, so that we work in agreement with the local business practices. The team that you hire for your business is probably the most important part of your business. This is why it is very important to take your time when you're hiring people, use trial periods, see how people will work together. Well, you know, Yerevan is a very small city, and the work style in Armenia is such that very soon you become a family with your team, and it's very important to keep your business and your personal separately.